I cannot open a PSB file on Windows. I'm running Photoshop 26.1, and here is what is happening. From bridge, using open with association is okay. I check it. It opens new document. If I try using Explorer, let me try first to drag and drop. It won't work, and it displays error message. So drag and drop operation could not be completed because the is not ready. Please try using Explorer. From Explorer, same thing. Drag and drop, same message. And if I try using file open, it also opens new file dialog. Let me see if that's correct. Yes, here it is. And this check mark means it's synced with Google Drive. So if I try to open, it opens a new document and nothing happens.